I know deep up my feelings for you.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa with the sub for inside this our green white green country, so we be Nigeria. And as they normally do, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with fresh information we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa now be say on Friday will be the 13th day of June for this year, so will be 2025. The governor of Edo State will be Monday Okpebholo. He now officially launched a groundbreaking 1 billion naira interest-free loan scheme to market women for inside Edo State. That is, if you be market woman and you live for inside Edo State, you go fit benefit from this 1 billion naira interest-free loan scheme where the governor just arrange come. You fit borrow money from the government without interest. Governor Monday Okpebholo now dey yarn say this gesture is in alignment with our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda for national progress. And sake of this development, so my good people, both market women and men who dey for inside Edo State, Benin City, in their massive number, they just dey jubilate, they just dey happy. And Governor Monday Okpebholo, as in they address the crowd, as in they address the market women and women where they jubilate sake of the development, him now come dey explain the initiative, him now come dey yarn dey give them. Say this program, so this development is designed to inject vitality into grassroots commerce, and this gesture, without a doubt, it go serve as a beacon of hope for over 5,000 farmers and small business owners wey dey for inside Edo State. But however, my good people, Governor Monday Okpebholo come dey compare the gesture with that of the federal government, according to how the talk take aside from him mouth. He now dey yarn dey give men wey plaster, he now dey yarn dey give the crowd wey dey jubilate sake of the development. Say you get the talk wey don go viral for inside we nation Nigeria, and that talk now be say make people follow who know road. That na why the Edo State government, that na why him wey be the governor don decide to follow the footsteps of our President, the 001 for inside we nation Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So wetin dem now dey do for inside Edo State currently is the implementation of the agenda of our President. But him now they give God the glory, he now they thank Baba God for the kind of leadership that has been given to Edo State and we nation Nigeria. It is now time for progress for Edo State people. And then Governor Monday Okpebholo come dey underscore his personal commitment towards the scheme. I now come dey yarn dey give the general public, say make they no forget one of the promises we make during his campaign. And that promise be say he go provide soft loans for the general public. He now come dey emphasize, he now come dey let men they know say the 1 billion naira fund was the fulfillment of that pledge, the fulfillment of that campaign promise, but with a crucial safeguard. And him now want to make sure say this money so when just carry come aside now no go to the wrong hands. That's now the essence of the gathering. That's now why businessmen and women now gas pull up, because with his past experience, whenever executive now they give out loans, the money no they get to the grassroots. The money no they go to the true men we need them pass for inside we nation Nigeria. So if they don't do this gathering now, if they don't do the thing the right way, many if you come back to come meet the governor and to give a report, negative report about the development. And this initial rollout, so this 1 billion naira now just a pilot test. Normally men know they test the depth of ocean with 2 legs. Men know they check how ocean deep reach with their both legs them. Now with 1 leg now they take the check. So this one now that just touchlight how things go take play. And last with the success of this initiative, it go pave the way for future replications of the scheme. That is, if this one now go well, many more go still come. And now with great pride and sense of responsibility, now wetin him will be governor of the state till they stand before the general public and he dey welcome all of them to the occasion of the launching of the 1 billion naira interest-free loan to Edo State people, plus traders, plus market women, plus brothers and even farmers for inside Edo State. So this my good people, now the declarations, now the statements of Governor Monday Okpebholo as in they address the crowd of market women and men sake of this 1 billion naira interest-free loan scheme where him now will be governor of the state just launched. And apart from this initiative, so my good people, as Senator Monday Okpebholo enter office as governor of the state, he now don't build flyover, he don't build hospitals, he don't build schools, he don't employ teachers, and he don't increase subversion for Edo State universities to be better than what them be before. Now e don dey empower the people of Edo State with the zero free interest loan. And no be lie, my good people, before many businessmen for inside Edo State wey dem collect loan, they go pay 10%. But for this interest-free loan wey Governor Monday Okpebholo just introduce, wey just launch, so any money wey men borrow, na wetin they go pay back. And this initiative so carry a generous 12-month repayment period and a 1-month moratorium. This na dey offer vital breathing room for businesses to stabilize. And this Edo State interest-free loan scheme, so my good people, e dey categorized as a micro loan. The thing now go allow beneficiaries to access between 200,000 and 500,000 naira. The thing go empower them now to expand their businesses, to invest in inventory. And now with this 1 billion naira interest-free loan, the administration of Governor Monday Okpebholo has not only fulfilled a key campaign promise, but it don also lay a robust foundation for inclusive economic growth. And this initiative so dey promise a brighter and more prosperous future for the people of Edo State. And onto the launching of this 1 billion naira interest-free loan, the event was very much attended by a host of dignitaries, men wey dey include the Deputy Governor of Edo State, wey be Honorable Dennis Idahosa, plus the Speaker of the Edo State House of Assembly, plus the Secretary to the State Government and the Chief of Staff, and also representative from various trade associations, dey stain plaster. And these associations, they include the Igbo Traders Association and many other market women cooperative from 3 senatorial districts. All of them answer present for the launching of the 1 billion naira interest-free loan by Governor Monday Okpebholo. Now this, my good people, now the report, now the information I want share give the general public. Anyhow, the matter be you for body, or if you be say get contributions about this topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment. Feel free make you put down your remark. Feel free make you put down your contribution. Feel free make you drop down your comment inside our comment section. Once again, now we be reality latest gist. Now we dey like give on our latest news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for this our green country, so we be Nigeria. And now if you be say you like this update, if you like this report and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news, they call your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. And also try make you share the news, give your family and friends, so that them too go notice they happen for inside we nation Nigeria, so that them go notice they play for inside Edo State. Now me they go get more news, me they go get more reports, me they go gather more information for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.